Aloha everyone, James here with TNT Tinting Specialist. Today we're going to be answering some of the most common questions we receive when it comes to preparing your house before we tint. Some of the biggest things that we're asked: how much clearance do we need? What do we need to move? How much stuff are we going to be bringing in? So we'll just answer a couple of those for you real quick. So first of all, prepping your space. If you can give our installers at least 3 feet of clearance, that'd be great. That helps them get and work in the area safely, and as well as keeping your stuff safe. Following that, one of our next biggest questions is about blinds. So if you have vertical blinds on your windows, most of the time we can push those to the side, tie them off. As long as they're not in the way or mounted against the windows, you can go ahead and leave them there. We'll just push them off to the side and we'll get them tinted from there. If you have shutters that do press up against your windows and they don't open all the way, that's something that we would need removed. Or if you have blinds on your windows that are mounted right up against the glass, we do need those moved. That way we can remove all the way up and install all the way up. After that, we're looking for any types of electronics that if they were to get wet, you can move those out of the way. That way those stay safe. Couches, furniture, and lastly, we don't get it a lot, and we do love pets, but if you have pets that are going to get in the way, we don't want them getting wet or getting in the film either. So if you could move the pets out of the way, put them in another room, that'd be great as well. From there, some of the required instruments that we might need to use, say we need to use a ladder. This might require a little more room. If you have high windows and we need to use a ladder, so that might be a little bit of additional moving of any type of furniture, depending on the base of the ladder. Most of the stuff can go against the wall, the ladder can go against the wall, but if we do have to use a taller one, the base of the ladder is wider, we might ask that we move some of the furniture a little bit further away. After that, preparing your space, it helps the team when they arrive get the job done quickly, efficiently, in the most timely manner. That way everybody can move about their day and you'll have new tint on your windows. Today we'll give you a quick look at the tools also that we bring in. Another common question: what type of stuff are the installers bringing in? For the most part, it's just going to be a small carry-on size bag like you take on an airplane. So it doesn't require any special elevator access. It's okay to go upstairs with it. So that's not a big deal. And then they'll bring the film with them. Sometimes, depending on the size of the job, they'll bring a full roll of film, which can be up to 72 inches tall. But again, it can be taken into all elevators upstairs, so that's not going to be an issue. Other times they'll bring smaller pre-pulled pieces, pre-cut to their window size, so that box will be even smaller. If you have any questions whatsoever regarding any of this stuff, feel free to give us a call and we're more than happy to answer. Thank you.